Here's a delicious and nutritious weight loss recipe: quinoa and black bean salad. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked quinoa, 1 can 15 black beans drained and rinsed, 1 cup diced tomatoes, a half cup diced bell peppers, any color, a quarter cup chopped cilantro, 2 tablespoons lime juice, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, salt and pepper to taste. Optional: diced avocado for serving instructions. 1. In a large bowl, combine cooked quinoa, black beans, diced tomatoes, diced bell peppers, and chopped cilantro. 2. In a small bowl, whisk together lime juice, olive oil, ground cumin, salt, and pepper to make the dressing. Pour the dressing over the quinoa and black bean mixture and toss until well combined. 4. Serve the salad at room temperature or chilled, garnished with diced avocado if desired. This protein-rich salad is packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making it a satisfying and healthy option for weight loss. Enjoy it as a light lunch or a side dish with your favorite protein.